In this video, I will show you the strategy with just two indicators on TradingView. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video thumbs up. Your support means a lot to us. The main idea of our system is to generate signals with these green and red labels. When you conduct backtest, you will see the signals this video provides. To add the indicator to our chart, we'll click on the Indicators tab and write Volatility Compression Breakout Indicators that is written by Leaf Algo. I add this indicator to our chart and we go to the settings, hide these sticks and inputs. I made it 22, compression multiplier 1.3 and EMA period 45. Okay. There is a line in this indicator and buy sell labels. If this line continues in purple, it shows the downtrend, and if it switches from purple to green, it shows an uptrend. It's important to note that using this indicator alone may have risk, so I integrate the second indicator to our chart. The name of this indicator is MACD Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator. This MACD indicator conforms the trend with green color and red color. And in the settings, input section remains the default settings, and style section I hide the MACD and signal line. I should note that this MACD indicator provides additional confirmation to our signals. After adjusting the settings for both indicators, our system is ready. Before showing the buy, sell examples and setups, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Now let's discuss how to identify the buy and sell signals. Let's start from this signal. Now as you can see here, this line continues in purple and it shows the downtrend. And when it switches from purple to green, the uptrend can start here. And this indicator gives a buy signal here, buy label, and MACD should confirm it with green colors histogram. There is a little green histogram here. Anyway, I get it the valid signal. For example, if I take here long position, I should put the stop, or I can put the stop the previous low, and I make the risk reward ratio at least 2. Let's see the result. It can be stopped here. It has stopped. Let's see what will happen if I make this stop distance wide. Okay, the volatility on 5 minutes is so high. I can set the stop with ATR indicator because the volatility higher as I said. Anyway, we can also become profitable or become stop. Let's see the signals in sequence. Oh, for example, here the green line switches to the purple and this indicator gives a sell label, and the MACD also confirms this signal. For example, if I take here the sell position and this candle is so large, I put the stop above this label and I make it 1 and 2 or 1 and 3 to maximize the profits. We can also use the stop loss elevation technique, the trailing stop technique. What is this? Trailing the stop loss method, we set a stop loss percentage below our entry point, and as the price rises or declines according to our position, continually we adjust and trail the stop loss. This method allows us to follow the trend and protect our gains. For example, I make here our target, my risk reward ratio 2, and if it reaches here, I again put the stop, for example here, and again I adjust my target place, for example, a little bit below. Let's see another signal. Here we get the buy signal. As you can see here, the color of this indicator is green, and MACD also confirms this signal. For example, I take here position and put the stop here, and let's say this is 1 hour, and I make the risk reward ratio 2R. This also can be stopped. Let's see the last signal and finish the video. For example, here we have a buy label, and MACD also confirms this signal. I put the stop loss, for example, here, and hope to take profit here, or like another signal here. There is a sell label, and MACD is also red. For example, I take this red candle sell signal, put the stop loss here, and make the risk reward ratio at least 2. In summary, the video provides a powerful trading strategy combining the volatility compression breakout indicator and MACD. By using both indicators together, we can identify the medium probability or high probability buy and sell signals, and the trailing stop loss method helps us maximize our profits. Remember to conduct backtest and practice yourself. However, this doesn't mean that it will always work perfectly. These indicators also give false signals, and you should expect this because no indicator or strategy will give you 100 guaranteed signals, and no matter how accurate the indicator or strategy is or how much experience you have, losing trades are always part of trading. Thank you for watching this video until the here. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I will answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and you can press the bell so you can be informed about my new videos. See you in the next video. Good luck.